Swift says this picture shows the moment Mueller inappropriately grabbed her, putting his hand up her skirt.
This is like it's a lose-lose situation.
Yeah, I'm good, but
everyone's a shiny new toy for like 2 years. Society is still tolerating me being successful. There is no such thing as a slut. There is no such thing as a bitch. There is no such thing as someone who's bossy. There's just a boss.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy that you're here. Today we're diving into Taylor Swift's documentary, and not just the story itself, but the language hidden in it. We'll break down powerful English expressions, how they're used in real life English, and what they actually mean in context. This is a great way to improve your listening and speaking skills because you'll see and learn how native speakers use these phrases. So whether you're a Swiftie or you're just here to level up your English, you're in the right place. Let's begin.
This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me.
I'm gonna go back to doing my job and I'm gonna make a record I'm proud of. A nice girl doesn't force their opinions on people. A nice girl smiles and waves and says thank you.
Swift says this picture shows the moment Mueller inappropriately grabbed her, putting his hand up her skirt.
This is with 7 witnesses and a photo. What happens when you get raped and it's your word against his? I guess I just think about all the people that weren't believed and the people who haven't been believed. I just wanted to say I'm sorry to anyone who ever wasn't believed, because I don't know what turn my life would have taken if people didn't believe me when I said that something had happened to me.
you are kind of doing a constant strategy in your head as to how not to be shamed for something on any given day. But then you get accused of being calculated for having strategy.
It's like it's a lose-lose situation.
I want to do this.
Okay, so I always have to bring up everything that could go sideways, or everything that we need to expect. Number one, the president could come after you.
Yeah, fuck that, I don't care.
A lose-lose situation. It means no matter what choice you make, there's a bad outcome for everyone who's involved in it, and there's a negative consequence. It's the opposite of win-win situation where everyone benefits. For example, at work, you can say, if I stay, I'm unhappy. If I leave, I lose all my benefits. It's a lose-lose situation, which means no matter what I do, the outcome is not desirable. So Taylor's publicist said everything that can go sideways, something that can become problematic in an unexpected and unfavorable way. You can also say go off the rails or go downhill. For example, in a sentence, you can say you're at work, but you need to leave, so you can say, if anything goes sideways, call me immediately, which means if there's anything that you haven't predicted and might happen that might impact the project or something in a negative way, call me.
I look like I have a mean face sometimes when I'm not trying to. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to be more likable on the next one.
I wish I didn't feel like there's a better version of me out there. I feel that way all the time. Everyone's a shiny new toy for like 2 years. Be new to us. Be young to us, but only in a new way and only the way we want. I want to work really hard while society is still tolerating me being successful. It's basically saying like, don't lose hope, don't get...
Yeah, your time will come if you just hang in there.
Yeah. There is no such thing as a slut. There is no such thing as a bitch. There is no such thing as someone who's bossy. There's just a boss. 13 years of constantly feeling like I was misunderstood, knowing that everything that happened was all going to turn into this moment is fucking awesome.
A version of me, a better version of me, a worse version of me, a different version of me, another version of me. So you use this to compare who you are to who you could be or used to be or who you will be. So So you are comparing different versions of yourself or someone else's depending on the time, the mindset, the environment, or even the life choices. For example, you can say at work, I'm a different version of myself, which means my choices or my behavior can change at work rather than how I am in my personal life because your environment changes. Just hang in there. So you use this to informally encourage someone to be patient, especially if they are going through a hard time or if they're experiencing a stressful situation. You use hang in there to say, if you just wait a little longer, if you be a bit more patient, your situation will improve. For example, you can say this to someone who is sick or had an accident to say, just hang in there, you'll recover soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe and like the video. It helps the channel grow. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section what we should break down in the next video. Bye!